Today, on the occasion of World Press Freedom Day, we are honored to have with us a very special guest, Mr. Nikhil Balal, the esteemed editor of Thane Vaibhav. Sir,
Good afternoon, everyone.
As students of Pilot Yak Vidyalaya English Medium School, secondary section, we are truly privileged to interact with someone who has dedicated his life upholding the values of journalism.
Sir, your contribution to regional journalism has made a significant impact in shaping informed and aware citizens.
Thank you for joining us today. We are eager to learn from your experiences and insights into the world of media and press freedom.
Let's begin the interview.
So the first
My
question
pleasure.
we
Thank
want to ask you is, what inspired you to be a journalist and then later an editor?
Yeah, so basically, I'm the third generation into this business. So my grandfather started a paper called Thane Vaibhav. It's a Marathi daily newspaper, which is still running in Thane for last 50 years. And he started it in 1975. So then my father, he continued in this business. He joined him in 1995. And then I got very influenced by both of them. Like I used to see them write, speak, and it's such a thrill to do journalism because we can address the issues of people, we can actually resolve them, we can make a difference to them, and that is why I felt that even I should join journalism. And after all, it was in my blood to join my own business, and that is how I joined our own newspaper. But before I joined my newspaper, I was told by my father that before you join our own business, you should work somewhere else so that you get a good experience and then you can join us. Because before giving orders, you should learn to take orders first. That was his advice, and that piece of advice actually helped me in my own business because I worked with ABP News, ABP Mazda for 2.5 years. I had a very good experience with electronic media. I could cover riots, I could cover elections, I could cover floods, and all kind of civic issues, all political events. I could cover a lot of good exposure. And after taking that experience, then I joined my own print media business, which is a daily newspaper.
So how do you ensure the authenticity of the news you publish?
Yeah, so basically, like it is like whenever you get any piece of information, you have to verify that. So for verification, you have different sources, different channels. The main source is the police. Like if it is related with any crime or any sensitive issue, then you have to check with the police station that whether such complaint has been got registered at their end. So that is the one thing. Secondly, if any allegation has been made on the other party, you have to take the quotes of both the parties. You can't just print the news one-sided. So because it is completely unethical, like it is against the ethics of journalism. So what we do is like we check with both the parties, like this is what the issue is. What is like you have to say on that. So both of them, they express their own opinions, they express their own sides, and then we go on printing the news.
Okay. Can you tell us about the journey of Thane Vaibhav and its role in regional journalism?
So Thane Vaibhav, like it is the one of the oldest daily newspaper of Thane district. Like that time, like you must be knowing Thane.
Yeah.
We just neighboring to Mumbai, but that time Thane was considered as a part of Mumbai only. But in Thane, the papers of Mumbai also used to reach in afternoon. Like that was the state that time, and there was no such paper exclusively only for Thane. Now Thane independently has become such a big district, big city that everyone has its Thane edition now. Even if you see big papers like Times of India, Lok Satta, Maharashtra Times, everyone has its own Thane edition now because that is Thane. So Thane is now competing with Mumbai, one can say. And that time my grandfather, he had a vision that we should have an exclusive paper which will cater to Thane district, and that is how this paper began. And we used to cover all the local news of Thane because these local news were not being able to get covered in the other papers, like the other Maharashtra paper or national papers, because of space constraint. Because Thane is a very minuscule part for them, and they have to cover the entire nation or entire state. So we thought, let's cover only Thane, exclusively Thane. So we'll have more of local news than global news. So in other papers, if you can see, there are more of local news and less of global news. And in our paper, it is exactly the opposite. We have more sugar and less of protein. And as I told you that as these other papers also, when they sense that opportunity that Thane is growing and even we should have a separate edition for Thane, then we were already local, so we became hyper local. So like we used to cover overall Thane, but now we started covering different parts of Thane also in our paper. So which created more interest among people because people felt very happy that they have been addressed. Their cognizance has been taken by us and their issues are getting resolved at a fast speed because we started a helpline number. So that time, like initially there was no WhatsApp, there were only landline numbers. So on landline phone we used to get calls from people that there is so and so issue in our area, and they used to send us a hard copy photograph at that time because there was no soft copy or something like that. So they used to bring with the hard copy some details about that. We used to get it verified by the local police station or by some other authorities and used to get it printed. And when that issue used to be recognized by the local municipal corporation and the local state government authorities, it used to get resolved also. So people used to feel अरे ये अपना पेपर है, इसमें जो न्यूज़ आता है वो अपना न्यूज़ होता है and it gets resolved also at a lightning speed. So that is how Thane Vaibhav's popularity increased. We became the mouthpiece of entire Thane district. And currently we are in our golden jubilee year. We have completed 50 years and we are the only district paper in entire Maharashtra to reach this milestone. And after